This is Redmi Note 10 Pro Max Indian version, and today in this video I like to share you guys Redmi Note 10 Pro Max 108 megapixel details camera review. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Redmi Note 10 Pro Max comes with quad camera setup. 108 megapixel main lens with 1.9 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide 2.2 aperture, 5 megapixel macro 2.4 aperture and 2 megapixel depth 2.4 aperture. Redmi Note 10 Pro Max comes with single 16 megapixel selfie camera with 2.5 aperture. So guys, let's some photo and video sample. Main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60 and 120 fps slow-mo video. And you also record 720p, 240fps slow-mo video and 960fps super slow-mo video. So the picture quality is very good. You can take a very good photo in a very good details in a daylight and low light also. Okay, this is all about Redmi Note 10 Pro Max details camera review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time with another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.